Hi everybody. I'm kind of a noob at this, so I'm having some trouble with my Apple II Plus. It's seen better days right now, but I'm trying to get it working. There's the disk drive. I'm trying to just load some games in. Right now I'm trying Mario Bros. I've tried it several times, and what happens is I'll load it. Here, let me turn it on real quick. Disk drive and everything works. So, okay, just reset it. I'm gonna type in load and hit enter. So it's waiting for the cassette file at the moment. So I'm gonna do lo-fi. System beeped, so see it loads the file, or acts like it's loading the file. 94 seconds. Probably fast forward through this a little bit. And by the way, I used a PS2. My keyboard quit working, so I found a PS2 keyboard adapter, which seems to work pretty well. So it's got about 20 seconds left. I use the lo-fi because the hi-fi seem to be giving people issues. So I talked to a gentleman online, and he said, I think he's the developer. He said lo-fi always works, so that's what I use. And then I get that. A lot of times I don't even get that. It'll just freeze. So let me reset it, and I'll try another one here real quick. Actually, I need to reboot the system for it to do that. Like my disk drive seems to work okay. And this is an Apple II Plus, by the way. Okay, so now I'll try. Let's see. I tried Pac-Man as well. I'll try lo-fi again. Type in load in AppleSoft. Hit play. It is playing. My volume is up all the way. As you can see. See there. Volume's up all the way. It is loading. Focus here. Focus. It is loading. And I thought it could be a RAM issue. This is a 2 Plus model. So I unseated all of the RAM chips in the white box, and I reseated them, and I applied some like cleaner into all the sockets that from Radio Shack. It dissolves super quick. And then I ran a test program, a basic program. I typed it in, and I don't think I got any errors on that. So I don't believe it's a RAM issue, and it loads DOS just fine, like from disk. So I don't think it's a RAM issue. I don't think it's a disk issue since it loads DOS. Let's see. Have about 10 seconds left. Load, come on. Focus. And it's another error. Load on that. So I'm kind of at the point where I've tried everything that I know, and this is my dad's system, so I'm kind of a noob at this anyway. So if anybody can help me out here, I'd appreciate it a lot. That's a ROM card, which is in slot 0, and then this is my disk drive controller in slot 6. So yeah, I do have a language card, but it was giving me issues. Like I would put the language card in slot 0 and then move the ROM card to slot 1, and then it wouldn't seem to boot. So I don't know what the deal with that was. I actually did swap out this back RAM chip, this one with the Apple logo on it right there. I swapped that one out from the language card since it was a 2K chip, so I don't know really what's going on. So if anybody could help me out, I appreciate it. Thank you.